Guys, welcome back to my channel. You are visit my channel very first time, so give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. So we all know guys, I continue my challenge. Today is day 16 to our challenge, English challenge. So welcome back, and today is I'm telling you something new in this video, so watch till end. Okay, so don't waste your valuable time, don't waste your significant time. So let's get on today's topic. You see my thumbnail and then you watch my video. So in this video I'm telling you why consistency is important, so how to improve English, and what is the main reason you not speak English fluently, and something it could be. So whatever, you just ask me in the comment box. So don't waste your crucial time, so let's get on this topic. Okay, so guys, why consistency is important, we all know. Because of lot of people try to speak English only 1 or 2 days, then it disturb, and then distribute to they are not trying to our specific or particular time to not give this your challenges or your consistency or whatever. So then we all not try to speak English then after some time. So consistency, that means I'm telling you in Marathi, ekagrata. Okay, so this is the main reason. You all know consistency is the key of success, right? And the consistency, that means you will try to you fluent in English, you are flourish your English communication, to speak with public and in front of public, and then it could be whatever. But this give only one thing, you're telling every day to practice in your English journey. Okay, because of English is the most in demand skill, like you are learn Java, C++, Python and whatever, I don't know. But you know what, AI is came in your life, so that is the main important part to our life is literally different full. And literally lot of resources you have available to speak in English, like ChatGPT, like a lot of apps to speak in English, like. But a lot of resources you have available, but you have not tried to speak English because of you are disturb your mind to continue like every day to get that scroll Instagram reels and YouTube reels, and it could be, I don't know. But this is the time, this time is literally a waste. We all know, but job is not is our hand, but practice and consistency and every single day to do something every single day, this is our hand. Okay, so challenge with yourself in before 2026, I commitment myself to improve your English, and that is the main key to our success, right? So I'm telling you, this is the main important key to literally improve your English. And I'm telling you why your English is not improve. This is the main reason, like you not continue in your English challenges, in your English goals. I was tell some video, every video I'm just telling you, because of your practice make man perfect, and this is the main reason. And you should start every day to practice. You're not doing writing something, reading something, that is not point, but practice. You should start practice. We all know guys, we have not job is not your hand, but daily practice, daily consistency is your hand. Because of lot of companies job not hire because of only skill, right? Degree no matter you have degree or not, but practice, but skills is matter only job, right? So enhance your skill, to flourish your skills and work on your skill. Because of we have lot of opportunity in every single day to do this and continue your challenge. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next topic, like something I don't know, but I'll tell something new. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.